everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we are going to learn how to crochet these dream catchers. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. I've used a yarn needle. The yarn that I'm using is 4-ply cotton yarn. I've also used some beads, some mirrors and the dream catcher ring that's wooden. So let's get started. You begin with a slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now once you have your chain 4, you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain right here. And now we're going to start the first row. You chain 2, and in the circle that we made right here in between, you work 1/2 double crochet. Now to work 1/2 double crochet, you yarn over once, insert your hook into the center, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. Do not complete your stitch. You're going to work 1 more half double crochet there. And now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, all 3. That's your first petal. Now for the next petal, we are going to work 3 double crochets together. Now to do that, you yarn over once, insert your hook into the same center space, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. Do not complete your stitch. Repeat that. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center space, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. Now we're going to repeat that one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. Now we have 3 double crochets here which are not completed. We're going to work them together. So you need to yarn over, pull through all the loops. So that's your petal. We're going to work another petal now. So you chain 3, and for the next petal you're going to work 3 double crochets together. So like we've done previously. It's 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through all your loops, chain 3, and you continue working the next petal. You need to have a total of 5 petals. After you complete working your 5 petals, you need to join your row by working a slip stitch into the stitch that's right on top the first petal, right here. You work a slip stitch right into that. Now for the next row, we're going to start by working a slip stitch into the chain space. You chain 2, and now you're going to work 2 double crochets together in the same space. So it's similar like the petals we made earlier. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, all 3. Now you chain 3. In the same space, you need to work 3 double crochets together. It's 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Chain 3 again. Now we're going to skip the petal here. We're going to work in the next chain space. You work 3 double crochets together. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. In the same space, again 3 double crochets together. 1, 2, and 3. Now you chain 3, and you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. In each chain space, you need to have 2 petals. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first petal here, right on top of the first petal. You work a slip stitch. Now for the next row, you need to work a slip stitch in the chain space. And now you chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you work a single crochet in the next chain space right here. Again, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A single crochet in the next chain space. Again, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you work a single crochet in the next chain space. Now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first stitch right here where you started your first chain, right into that. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now I have my yarn needle and a little bit of yarn attached to it. Now we're going to attach this to the ring. So you go into the chain like this. Now the next chain. The next chain. You need to get all the chains through like this. Now before you tie this together, you need to make sure all your chains are equally pulled. Like this. And then you can tie the strings together. not cutting off these ends. I'm going to use them to hang the dream catcher, but if you want you can cut it off and tie a ribbon instead. So I'm going in like this, putting a knot. Now for this I have chained 18 and I've attached beads to it using a glue gun. So we're going to first start with a chain of 18 by working a slip knot, and you chain 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue till you have a chain of 18. I completed working my chain 18 and I'm going to attach it in this strand. So I will have 4 strands, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go into strand like this, you loop, and now you're going to work a chain through both these loops. You pull it through both the loops and that will attach it. Now you chain 1, cut your yarn. Now with the help of your yarn needle, you need to work in the loose ends. Like this. And now you need to work 3 more of these. Now I've worked my loose ends. I'm going to attach the beads like this, 1, 2 and 3, and then stick it to the chain. And the mirrors, I'm going to put them right here in between these 2 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'm going to do the same at the back. I'm not going to show you how I use the glue gun because I'm extremely messy with it. We've completed making the dream catcher. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.